Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far. And welcome to this new video here on XRP, your daily update. We're going to do a full update on the current situation. The current situation is actually quite interesting. So hopefully it will be an interesting and valuable video for you too. I think it's in general interesting enough to talk about and interesting enough to report on, because what we're doing right now to get into the video is that XRP is very much consolidating here in the middle of the range. All right, it reminds me a little bit of what Bitcoin was doing back in the middle of February, where we were consolidating here in a very tight range in the middle of a wider range. And XRP is doing something similar. I mean, if we zoom out, and most of you know this, the main range edges, the range bounds, are 2.8 and the area around that, and then 2.15 and the support area around that. But what you can see, as well, is that most of the volume is very much traded around 2.4, and that's the area where we are consolidating. That's the area where we are ranging right now. And I would actually say that XRP is looking quite positive here. And there's two reasons for that, or well, there's obviously a lot of reasons for that. There's always a lot of factors playing into how the market behaves. But what we're seeing, first of all, is that Bitcoin is showing some more bullish momentum right here. All right, so you can see it looks like, at least as it stands right now, also seen in light of other fundamentals, it looks like Bitcoin is going higher into 89, 90, 91,000. That area, I would say, is the main target for now. So that's great, all right, because XRP, first of all, is still very correlated to Bitcoin. And in the last week, XRP BTC, right? So the relative strength of XRP to Bitcoin has also been relatively high. XRP has been quite strong. And then technically, what you can see is that we actually 2.41, that's the area where most of the volume has been transacted. That's the point of control. Whereas we dropped down below that level yesterday, and we talked about that briefly as well. Now we've actually managed to break above that. So that's positive as well. Now, the one thing, so those are the two main positives why I'm slightly leaning bullish on XRP on the short term, all right? Because if you zoom out, I have to be neutral, right? Because we are in a consolidation. And what is true as well, and we talked about that briefly yesterday as well, is that there's no real sign of very strong momentum coming in, right? You can see that the open interest, the leverage is relatively low here. There's no real increase in leverage, and what you can also see is that the volume is continuing to drop down since Sunday. It's basically been on a downwards trajectory. I'm not sure if that's a good word. So yeah, we're losing that momentum. But I would say, I mean, if we're losing that momentum, then if we don't have that much leverage coming in, the most likely scenario is that we will remain relatively stable. I think remaining stable right now in these market circumstances, with everything that's going on in the world, is already relatively positive. But with the technical development and with what we're seeing from Bitcoin, at least right now, and we also, like I said, it's also, if you're interested in that, you should watch my Bitcoin video. But there's some other factors pointing in the bullish direction as well. It's not just price action based. But based on that, I would say that it is actually most likely that XRP will, from this stability and from this tight range here in the middle, we'll be able to get some sort of a bullish move into 2.7 and 2.75. Now, do I think we can break out? No. We'd need momentum for that, all right? And if we get some news, we can very quickly gain momentum, and I'll make an update as soon as I can. But for now, I think we can expect some bullish momentum. I think we can expect some stability. I don't think we can expect a major bullish breakout. But I'll keep you updated on that. That's it for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.